Good morning and welcome to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. Today we're going to do lesson 2, more graphing systems of equations. So the first problem here, luckily, is in y equals mx plus b form, which means I know where I'm going to begin and I know what my slope is going to be. So for the first problem, m is -3. I'm going to put that over 1. So that's the slope. And I'm going to begin at +6. That's the y-intercept. So here's the y. And I'm going to go from 0 up to 6 and intercept at 6. Now I'm going to use this slope, -3/1. I can't rise 3 and go left 1. You go left because it's negative. But I can go down 3 and right 1, and you see that's going to make that slope go down. So down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, and I'm all the way across the page. But of course, I misplaced my ruler. Oh, what a horrible nightmare. So I just folded a piece of paper to give myself a straight edge, hold it nice and tight, go along my edge. Oh no, it's a mess. It's okay. Not everything in life is perfect. Here we go. Now, the next equation, y equals -1/2x plus 1. My slope is still negative. M equals -1/2. And my b, +1. So I begin at 1. On the y line, start at 0, go up to 1. Now I can rise 1, left 2. Rise 1, left 2. Rise 1, left 2. Rise 1, left 2. All the way across. But that doesn't intersect my line. But if I go down 1, right 2, oh, there's my intersection right where I made a mistake before. Down to the right. Paper nice and straight. Connect the dots. Wish I had a ruler, but that's okay. There we go. And now I see where they cross. I can write my equations on the lines. Don't forget to write your equations on the lines. And the other one too. Y equals -3x plus 6. And right here is where they cross, and that's the solution to the system, which is at 2, 0. 2, 0. Oh, almost forgot the other side of my parentheses. Solutions to systems are always a coordinate. You need an x, and you need a y, and you need parentheses. So now I'm in 2 different forms. The first one's fine. The first one's y equals mx plus b. Yay! The second one is the problem. So I'm going to rewrite that one. 2x plus y equals 5. My x is on the wrong side. It's supposed to be on this side because I want it in y equals mx plus b form. So in order to move that to the opposite side, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Because what you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side. You got to balance the equation. 2x minus 2x, 0. Now I wrote these right on top of each other for a reason. I can't combine them. I cannot add these two. It's against the rules. This one has an x. This does not have anything. These are unlike terms. You cannot combine them. So I can bring the y down, but I can't combine these, so I have to write just -2x plus 5, which puts it in y equals mx plus b form. And it's a good reminder that you cannot combine unlike terms. So for this one, the m is -2/1, and the b is 5. So I go along here on b, right to there. I can rise 2, go left 1, but I can only do it once. So now I have to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, all the way across. Remember, whenever you're graphing, you don't know where the lines are going to cross, so you have to go across the entire coordinate grid. Don't muck that bit up there. Here we go. Whee. My shaky, sloppy hands here. Ooh, that's the best line I drew yet. I guess this piece of paper is better. There we go. Now I have to go back and do the top one. Y equals 2x minus 3, m 2 over 1, and b is negative 3. Start at 0, I go down to 3 to begin, negative 3, rise 2, right 1, rise 2, right 1, rise up, there's my cross, rise 2, right 1, all the way, whoop, across my grid. I can even do some more on the other side, down 2, left 1. There we go. Connect the, it's better when I hold it tight. Wow, there we go. Drew that nice line before, now I got this wobbly one, but that's okay because you could see where they cross right there. And this one is y equals 2x minus 3, and this one, write the original equation, right, put that down here, write original equations on the lines. There we go. So I have to go back and I have to write the original equation on the line, which was 2x plus y equals 5. There we go. Now the next one. Oh dear, this top equation is missing a few things. What's it missing? Well, it's not showing the slope, so I'm going to add my own little one in there. So it's going to be y equals negative 1x, and there's no y-intercept. There's 0 y-intercepts. So I'm just going to add 0. So now my slope m is negative 1 over 1, and my b is 0. So I'm going to start here at 0, I'm going to rise 1 and go left 1, rise 1, left 1. Remember, negative slopes have to be going down from left to right, so I'm going to go down from left to right. Now, let's see, here we go. I could just keep putting points on there, going down 1, right 1, or I just could connect the points that are there. Hope that I draw straighter than usual. Now what happened here? I'm off the points a little bit because I didn't draw as straight as I should have. But that's okay. It's close enough. Let's see what happens when I try to solve the other one. Now that's not y equals mx plus b. So I have to rewrite it. Y plus 3 equals 2x. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Remember, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other side, balancing the equation. And you cannot combine the unlike terms, no matter how much you want to. Don't do that. Y equals 2x minus 3. I'm going to start down here at negative 3, rise 2, run 1. So m is 2, b negative 3. Negative 3, up and over, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, all the way across the grid. Okay. Hold that as tight as I can because, you know, me. There we go. All arrows on both sides. Remember, you lose a point, no arrows. Original equation on the line. Y plus 3 equals 2x. The other one, y equals negative x. And where they cross, right here, over 1, down 1, 1, negative 1 is the point of intersection. So that's my solution. Now, I'd like you to pause the video. Try this problem. I'll wait. In fact, here, we'll write it on here. Pause. Okay. Now for this one, it's exactly the same as this problem right here. So I would go, if I was me, I would go back and look at this and see what I did. Come back here. I'm going to try this problem. 2x plus y equals negative 4. I have to move the x to the opposite side, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And I get y equals negative 2x minus 4. My m is negative 2. My b is negative 4. I'm going to start down here at negative 4. Rise 2, left 1, because it's over 1. My apologies, allergies. Rise 2, left 1. Here we go. All the way across. Nice, looks good. Connect those points. And pretty straight. I'm just going to put these points here because I know me. This one, thank goodness, is already in y equals mx plus b form. So my m is 2 over 1. My b is 4. Go up here to 4. Go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And down 2. Left 1, down and left. And arrows, equations, original equations. So this was y equals 2x plus 4. And this one, 2x plus y equals negative 4. And right where they cross on the x-axis is negative 2, 0. Negative 2, 0. Okay, so that is lesson 2, more graphing equations and finding solutions. So this problem, these two problems, this problem, and these two problems, and all these problems are the independent practice. So please get to page 13. And I'll go over them tomorrow. Have a great day.